BRKR stock, super interesting. I'm showing you my exact play for the next week and onward in this 1 minute video. And I am the only guy in this space that has done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all. I mean, everything is on my YouTube channel. This is not small D. This has taken me 5 years of my time. You can watch everything on this YouTube channel and tens of thousands of dollars of my own money on courses and mentors. When I'm looking at BRKR, I understand that this is just a berry season, you know, there's all there is to it. I mean, unironically, only if I see breaks above $47, I'm actually going to look to take things further up. But in this particular instance, yeah, I'm just even hoping for maybe like a pull down to then sell, you know, who knows, that might be a thing as well. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, then yeah, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. I'm not sure if I have this in my Discord server or whatever, but yeah, we'll keep you updated. Don't worry.